Bored with the usual hairstyle and color? Well, we have prepared 5 awesome makeover ideas for your hair that you can change from so you can really shape up the way you're looking and feeling. Coming right now.
So the first thing you can do, you can change your haircut. Depending on how wild you want to go, you can either cut your hair a little bit or you can go all in and have a bob or even pixie hair. If you want some minimal changes, you can try different layered haircuts or single length haircuts, or even trim some hair underneath, but this will work only for thick hair though. But if you're up for big changes but you don't want to lose the length of your hair, a good option to try are bangs. There are so many options out there, so I'm sure you will find one that will fit for you. Just visit your hairdresser and you will both can find a very nice option.
Another thing you can do, you can actually put keratin in your hair. With keratin in your hair will look much smoother, shinier, and it will just feel more healthier. And the result will basically last for around 2 to 6 months, depending on the product that you're using. So we tried 2 different products. So first one was Hantexis and the second one was Cativa. And here you can see the results. Cativa was much better than Hantexis for straightening your hair, whereas Hantexis, as you can see here, was much better for smoothing, shining and filling up your hair. But if you want to see full review of both of the products, we will link it down below in the description box so you can check it out afterwards.
The next trick is similar like cutting your hair shorter, as it gives similar effect. And here we are talking about hair extensions and clip-in hairs. For example, if you have short or thin hair and you want to add some extra volume and extra length, then hair extension is the right option. And if you choose some natural hair extensions, then it won't really change your hair care routine, as you need to follow almost the same steps as you did before. Here you can see the before and after extensions. With added volume and length, hair looks healthier and becomes even a better crown to wear. The bonus with longer hair is that you can style them in different ways and do different hairdos.
This next change we have already shown in one of our previous videos. I'm talking about hair toning. If you're afraid of going all in and permanently changing your hair color, this will be a great option for you, as you can try out different hair colors but still return to your natural or your base color that you had before. So we actually tried 2 different colors. It was pink and purple. Marta tried out the pink one and I tried out the purple one. As you can see, the pink tone was more visible than the purple one, but it still gave a cooler tone to the look.
And the final point for today is hair coloring. You probably already saw that I was going through some big hair changes during this time period. But how to choose the hair color that suits the best for you? To not go too much in details, we have prepared another video that we'll link it down below. But in short, if you see that your skin tone and eye color are something between these colors, then cooler tones will suit you better. Whereas these ones will look much nicer with warmer colors. So here you can see how different hair colors looks on both of us.
If you like our ideas, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below which hair change are you going to go through next. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for new lifestyle tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!
Bye!